if you're new here, welcome. I hope you're all well and keeping safe. This video I'm going to be unboxing. I have to do this very carefully so I don't show my address. Oh my god, where's a ton? Oh, the Degusta box. Degusta box, if anyone doesn't know, it's a monthly food subscription box. It costs £12.99 a month. But I have a code where I can get you £3 off your first box. I will put that code on the screen somewhere, round about now. I will also put it in the description box below for you. So let's get into this box. These boxes every month come lovely packaged like this. It's so heavy. It always comes with little leaflets for things, then usually hints for what's going to be coming in inside this box. We've got the cheat sheet thing, what's in here, and like a recipe. And this month's box is called the May Barbecue and Snacking. So I'll stick that there. Let's get in. Oh, it looks like a good box, this one. The first things I'm coming to on the top are the Mission Street Tacos Original. They're a 10 pack and they're vegan. So we've got that one. And we've also got the Mission Street Tacos Mexican Chilli and Lime, and that's also a 10 pack. And they're also vegan. Let's have a look at what it says about these. These are worth £1.20 each. And they're available in most supermarkets nationwide. And it just basically says soft tacos in our signature recipe, ready to fill and fold for street style eating. So yeah, we've got 2 of them. Next item I can say is this. This is the Bullseye Original Barbecue Sauce, and this is worth £2.49. And it says, Bullseye Original Barbecue Sauce pays its dues to the greatest pitmasters in the US and the best made in the world. It's a sweet yet bold and smoky barbecue sauce that's best brushed on a tender pork chops, rich brisket, juicy ribs and succulent chicken. And this is also available in most supermarkets nationwide. So we've got that as well. Our next item is, oh, there's 2 of these. So we've got the fat-free vinaigrette salad dressing. And we've also got classic house salad dressing. Looks like this. And it says about these that so it's Hellmann's fat-free salad dressing and house salad dressing. These are £1.65 each. Enjoy the delicious taste of these Hellmann salad dressings this summer by keeping a bottle on hand to transform your everyday salads from simple to spectacular. Whatever the occasion, Hellmann salad dressings are sure to add flavour to your salads without the addition of unwanted fat and preservatives. And again, these are available in most supermarkets nationwide. Running out of space already. Our next thing is a bubble wrapped item here. Oh my gosh. Look at my finger in here. There we go. There's that. Now, first things first, I want to say, you're right, there's a lot of complicated words for me to read in this one, so I'm going to butcher this description, but let's give it a go anyway. This is the Beronia. I'm presuming it's a small bottle of red wine. This bottle is worth £2.99. £2.99 that is. Or you can get a 75cl size bottle for £11.79. And it says, made predominantly from Tempranillo complemented by ganache and mazzuolo. I am so sorry, I'm butchering this description like I said I would. Basically, this is intensely fruity with blackberry and strawberry characters with hints of vanilla and spice from aging in mixed French and American oak barrels for 12 months before bottling. This is available at Waitrose and Ocado, and it's going to be available in Tesco from the 25th of May. So, I don't know, I'm not really a big wine drinker, but I'll definitely try that because it sounds lovely. I like the sound of that. Sorry guys, I'm really struggling with hay fever today, so I probably look rough as toast and sound terrible, but I'm sorry I had to get on and get this unboxed for you all. The next things we have anyway are a skinny tonic in Indian and a skinny tonic in Mediterranean. And it says about these cans, it says about these that they're 75p each. The Indian one is a botanical blend of Sicilian lemon, bitter orange and thyme, and the Mediterranean one is a botanical blend of fresh citrus, thyme, floral and sweet basil notes. And these are available in Booths, Amazon and other online retailers. So yeah, we've got them. The next thing we've got is one of these. This is the LINDT LINDOR Milk Bar and it's 85p. And it says, experience the bliss of LINDOR in a milk chocolate bar. The perfect combination of the finest LINDT milk chocolate with an irresistible, here we go again, getting tongue tied, irresistibly smooth melt and filling, crafted with passion by the LINDT master chocolatiers, also available in orange and mint. These are available at most major retailers and you can get them online on their website, on LINDT's website. So yeah, we've got that. The next thing we have is this. And it says these are Yes snack bars and these are this box is worth £2.99. And it says, yes, snack bars are delicious and wholesome, made from the best ingredients that nature has to offer. What's more, they're wrapped in recyclable paper packaging to provide you with a no-compromise approach to snacking. Yes, tasty by nature. And it actually says that you'll get, there's another option of a flavour by the looks of things. I've got the delicious dark chalk, banana and pecan fruit and nut bars, and then there's another one, but I can't see what it says about what flavour it is or anything, because it doesn't say, and the picture's tiny and I can't read it. But these multi-packs, it says are available from Asda and Morrison's, but I'm positive I've seen these in Tesco, positive I have, so there's that anyway. Oh, my kids will love these. Next item we have is this. And this is the Hartley's Juicy Jelly Pouches, and this box is worth £2.90. No, it isn't. It's worth £2.79. From the nation's favourite jelly brand, this deliciously juicy pouch of wobbly jelly is super convenient and loved by kids and parents. Made with real fruit juice and under 100 calories, this is the perfect snack for on the go or as a treat slipped into a lunchbox. And this is available at most major supermarkets nationwide. My kids are going to love them. We've also got, so these ones are the strawberry flavour, but they've also put in a single one, which is lemon and lime flavour. So I'm actually quite pleased with them. They look lovely then. Another item is this. And this is Barbells Hazelnut a Nougat protein bar, and this bar's worth £2.50. It says, at Barbells, we believe in happy eating and healthy living. We offer a whole range of protein-enriched bars and shakes that never compromises with flavour. Our products are a treat for everyone who wants a yummy snack after gym or during your afternoon tea. Go ahead, feed your cravings. And these are available at Sainsbury's and on Amazon. So it sounds quite nice there. You can just feel them through the packaging. You kind of feel like it's quite a chunky bar. And last but not least, we have 2 of these. And let's see what it says about this. So these are XITE Energy Drinks, and they're £1.49 each. XITE Energy is a great healthier alternative to the energy drinks that are currently out there. We use natural caffeine and flavours to create a refreshing boost that helps you stay focused throughout your day. We are always zero sugar and use as little unnecessary ingredients as possible. And these are available at Holland & Barrett and WH Smith. I'm not quite sure what flavours they are because it doesn't actually say. So I'm not entirely sure. I'm not a big fan of energy drinks. I don't really drink them, but my husband does. So I'm sure he'll enjoy them. Plus they're a healthy option to the ones he normally drinks. So I'm quite happy with that. So yeah, I will work out the value of the box and I'll put it in the description for you all. I think this box was absolutely fantastic. I'm really, really happy with this box. It's great. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like if you did, and please subscribe. It would mean the absolute world to me. If there's any boxes that you would like me to test out on this channel, if you drop a comment in the comment box, and I'll see if I can get them boxes and like open them up on here for you to show you what's in them before you actually commit to buying them. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.